Hello and welcome to a new video of my Unity MMO tutorial series. And yeah, in the last lecture we created a simple login screen, and yeah, in this lecture we will fix the problems with the error, and yeah, maybe we'll do some other stuff. Well, at first we have to go to our project folder, go into the depth folder and show it in Explorer. And yeah, now we can, you need to find the DLL files of the NuGet packages. So you have the new, if you go to the master server, or we'll use the UKNet. If you go to the UKNet, you can go manage to the NuGet package and click on installed, and as you can see, you have installed these extensions or packages. And for these packages, you need to go to the to your distribution storage. So you need to go to the storage C and go into the user folder and select the user you are logged in with your computer, and then there is a .NuGet folder. If you go to the .NuGet folder, I can show it here. So we can go to the Explorer, go to C, and then you can go to the user, and I will use my user, and you can see here all with a dot, and here is a .NuGet. Then go to packages, and you have all packages here in this folder you ever used. And then, for example, we can go to the Microsoft extension folder, and it's here, and we can go to the logging because this was the first error, and you can go to the extension.logging, yeah, as you can see, and then you need to see what version you use. We use this one. Go to the lib folder, net standard 2.0, and copy this. I won't copy this by this way because I did it in the past and it's very it will take very long. So I go to my depth folder, and I have done it before, and I will copy everything in it here, and yeah, I will post a link below the video with the packages. So now we can go back to the Unity, and we can go to the console, and yeah, we can go to the refresh button, and now you can see Unity loads all the DLL files. So it will take a little bit, and after this, the problem with we can clear it here and can go to the play button and go back and see if there's a error. And yeah, we have still the error, but this is no problem because we can go to this one and we will build it again. Go to the folder. It's a little bit tricky because this is a Unity engine, and we can go to the depth folder and asset folder and copy it here. and we can go back and see what we can do with the refresh. Okay, we will check later, because this is a crash. We can try to go to the project settings, and we can, yeah, it's standard 2.0 because it's net standard, and yeah. I really don't know yet, but yeah, we will fix it later. And now we can go to the scripts folder, go to the client manager, and yeah, we can start with a simple one, and we create a new file, but we will create it in the Unity engine, and we will right click, create new file, and we will call it menu manager. And yeah, we will create at first the menu manager, and you can delete the things before. And yeah, at first we will create a public void race selection menu, because this is one we need later. And we can say scene manager. It's a Unity engine, and you need using Unity engine scene management. And now we can say load scene, and we can say race selection. We don't have the scene yet, but we'll add it later. And yeah, we will load the single, and yeah, we create the character selection menu as well. And it's the same scene manager dot load scene, and create a character selection, and we load the scene single, and the last one will be the character creation menu. Okay, and we say scene manager dot load scene character creation load scene mode dot single. Okay, and this was the and okay, before we start with the client manager, we have to create some stuff, and the first one will be a new file we have to create. And we go to the Unity engine and create the C# script client connection. And this one will handle all our this script will handle all our connections we need for this connecting to the server. So we say TCP client, and we need to add namespaces. And at first we create a constructor, and we say only a log so we can see that we connect to the server. That's everything we need in the constructor. And yeah, I say debug.log. This is the yeah, okay. And first we create a public pool is connected. And we say this one, and now we create a public task connect, and we say string host int port, and I have to add a namespace. It's using system threading task. And now we can start with client is equal to new TCP client, and then we can connect and say host port, and now we get our streams. So we declare the writer, binary writer, and stream. I need to add a new namespace, and it's system.io. And yeah, we can add a static function here like this one, and then we can delete the .debug, and as you can see we can type log. And we do the same with the reader. And is equal to new binary reader. And then we can return task dot completed task. And then we can create public task disconnect. And we say client close, and we put the writer to null, and the same with the reader. And then we can return task dot completed task. Okay, and I have to add the public binary writer and reader, but is we need to get and set. So get and private set, and the same with the writer. Okay, now we have, sorry, it's not post, it's port. And now we have no errors, and yeah, that's our first script. And if you have any questions, you can write it down in the comments or join my Discord server. And yeah, if it's that what you need, then you can leave a like, and yeah, we will see us in the next video. Thank you for watching.